Assalamu alaikum ma'am, this is Niamur Firdaus Nasib from Section A Main Campus and my ID is 2014345. In this presentation, I'll be showing the procedure, techniques and skills to clean a room. As it is a housekeeping management course presentation, so I'll be following the procedure I follow in hotels. But as I'm in my home now and I don't have the hotel facilities, so I'll be using my own room. And I don't have anyone else to help me with the camera, so it will be a vlog style casual presentation. I hope you will like it and please stay tuned with me till to the end of this video. So let's get started. First step in this cleaning procedure, we have to enter the room using the master key. So this is the room and in this case, my hand is my master key. As I don't have a door blocker to secure the door, so I'm using this thing, this punch machine, to secure the door and as a door blocker. Opening the door and entering the room, we must ensure the door. So for this I used a door opener and it is secured there and it is securing the door. As I'm already in the room, now my first step is to check the switches. We have to check all the switches and ensure that all the electric switches and every electric things are working properly. If one of them is not working properly in order, then we must inform that to our technical support. After checking all the technical sites, our next step is to turn on all the light bulbs we have in our room, because it will help us to clean the room properly, and also the light is really important. So now we are going to open our window and let the outside light come inside. As we can see that the bed is already dirty, now our second step is to clean the beds and change the bed sheet and the pillow covers. So let's do it. Before removing the bed sheets, we have to keep our pillows in a safe place. And for that work, we have our safe place here. It is really important to check the bed sheets and the pillow covers if they have any dirt or any stains on them, or they are tattered up in any places. As the bed sheets are already taken away, now it's time to clean the woods and the window. So let's do it. In the woods, I used this fabric, and now for the window I have to use another fabric, and for that I'm using this one. For cleaning, firstly I have used a liquid based cleaner and then I have used a dry cleaning process. So that's how we are going to clean our windows and the woods and also the other furnitures. It's time to put on the bed cover. Following the procedure, we are going to cover our bed with our bed sheet. Now, the critical part is the corner. How to fold the corner. So, first we are going to tuck the extra bed sheets under the bed, and then this part will be folded like this, and we will keep this part hanging. Make sure that the bordering parts are properly tucked in, because for the aesthetics, and after that we will reassure that there is no stain or torn up place, so that will be a harm in our aesthetics. Now we are going to change our pillow covers, but first we have to check if there is no stains or any torn up place here. No, it is perfectly fine. So let's change it. So now we will check if the new pillow cover have any stain or tattered up places. No, it is also fine. Perfect. Now we will keep our bedsheet straight and tightened. It is really essential for our aesthetics. And that's how we are going to place our fresh curtains in the end of the bed. Our work is almost done here and everything looks perfect, but we will give a final check, and it is really important to check before leaving if is everything all right or not. We will check the cupboards, we'll check under the bed, we'll check on the corners, we'll check all the furnitures, we will check if any dust are left behind. So now we're going to check. Everything looks good. So our work is almost done here. Now we are going to close the window and turn off all the lights before leaving the room. Our room cleaning is done here, and from the side table to the end of the bed to all the furnitures all look great. So now it's time to leave.